Welcome to all of you. I am Prakash Reddy. Today's topic is that indigenous traditional milk product, in which first point that is the Basundi production process. In this video discussion, you will learn what is meant by Basundi, the specific standards of the Basundi, then outline the manufacturing process of the Basundi, equipment's requirement, and the processing parameters which should be required to properly control in the Basundi production process. First, what is meant by Basundi? Basundi, that means in which by using the cow or buffalo or the mixed standard milk, in which the minimum 4% fat content must be required, and which is the concentrate by the evaporation process to reduce its volume from the, that is the 2:1 ratio, that means reduce to its original volume to half, and finally we get the Basundi, in which addition of the sugar, that is the up to 5%, with the as per our requirement, addition of the nuts and the flavors may be added with the fruit pulp juice, etc., as per our requirement. Then Basundi, which is the main types involving as per the specific addition of the flavor ingredients, may be natural or the maybe fruit flavors, in which the cardamom, saffron, sitafal, mango, etc. In which Basundi, which is the packed into the low density polyethylene bag or maybe packed into the cup system. The method of the production process involving is that it is the sweetened condensed milk made by the boiling of the milk on the low heating until the milk is reduced to its by original volume, whatever the original volume, to reduce into by half. In which the second term, that is the kheer, in which the kheer, that basically difference is that during the preparation of the Basundi, if we added with the 2.5% basmati rice on that Basundi, then finally this product is called as a kheer. Remaining all processing parameters are same as a Basundi production process. The manufacturing process of the Basundi involving first step, that is the receiving of the milk, in which the receiving that milk should required to standardize or minimum 4% fat content should required. This milk is concentrated into the open pan kadai, that is the traditional process. Then by using the khawa making machine or by using the steam jacketed kettles are used for the production of the Basundi, in which this is the specific equipment of the steam jacketed kettles or by using the khawa making machines. Milk are taken in this khawa making machines, and after that it is applied and continuously agitated, in which the consistency of that milk is reduced from the 2:1 ratio, and after that heating is stopped. Finally they are properly cooled and packed into the packaging material, that is the low density polyethylene bags. The main equipments required, that is the traditional process by using the iron pan, open pan boiling system, or maybe using the steam jacketed kettles by maybe fired with the gas, maybe liquid fuels, or maybe wood firing system. The capacity of that equipment varies from the 20 liter to 2000 liters as per our requirement. In the processing steps, the continuously boiling into the steam jacketed kettles or into the iron pan evaporated the milk to into half the volume, then addition of the sugar 5%, they mix properly during the cooking process. Yield of the final product is depending on the initial milk solid content on that milk added and addition of the sugar percentage. These are the main factors affected. Final yield is up to 50% of that milk used. Its keeping quality, in which the normal condition 2 to 3 days, and in refrigeration condition up to 15 days, under the frozen condition up to 3 months. Used for the direct consumption as a dessert. These are the references used for this preparation of this PowerPoint presentation. In this video discussion, you learn how to produce the Basundi, what is the minimum requirement as per the Food Safety Standard Authority of India, processing conditions. Thank you very much.